Welcome guys, today I am going to make coriander tea. So first we need to roast coriander. You need to roast 3-4 minutes, then enough. After roast it will come in nice smell, so that time we have to remove. See, now is, and now we have to blend it. I'm going to blend right now. Okay. Okay, now it's done. See how is it? Nice smelly. Wow. And need ginger water. Need to boil properly. Okay, now our ginger water already boiled. Now I am going to add coriander into the pan. And 2 tea bag. I'm using this Lipton 2 tea bags. See, now everything is done. Now everything is done. Now I am going to remove this 2 tea bag here and strain, because ginger and coriander pieces is there, so we need to strain it. Yeah. Okay, now all things are ready. See how is my cheese. How is my tea?